Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Credit Karma's Credit Builder. So first up, what exactly is Credit Karma's Credit Builder? Credit Karma's Credit Builder is a credit building tool that's designed to help you establish or improve your credits. Now it provides a secured credit account that reports to the major credit bureaus. So let's check out how to use Credit Karma's Credit Builder. The first thing you got to do is to log into your Credit Karma account, and then just click the Credit Builder tab. Now you want to apply for Credit Builder by providing required information such as income and employment and all that, and then just fund your secured credit accounts with a security deposit, which becomes your credit limits. And then you want to make monthly payments on your Credit Builder accounts to demonstrate responsible credit behavior. A couple of tips for using Credit Karma's Credit Builder. The first is to obviously make timely payments. So you want to make sure that you make timely payments to demonstrate responsible credit behavior. You also want to keep credit utilization low. So you want to keep this to as low as less than 30% to show lenders that you can manage credit responsibly. The third, of course, is to monitor your credit report. So you want to monitor your credit report regularly to ensure that it is accurate and up to date. And the last, of course, is to graduate to unsecured credits. So once you've established a positive credit history, you may be eligible to graduate to an unsecured credit account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all the info I got for you guys today. I hope you liked the video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.